Children, in the previous class, I taught you some of the sums of exercise 4H. Today I shall teach you some more sums of exercise 4H. Let's do the sums of exercise 4H. Sum number A, subtract 12. Sum number 12, that is 11 by 18 minus 2 by 9. So first, you have to find out the LCM of the denominators 18 and 9. Here I shall use the repeated division method to find out the LCM of 18 and 9. So LCM of 18 and 9. So divide them by 2. So 9, 9. Divide them by 3, 3, 3. Divide them by 3, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. Now children, you write the sum 11 by 18 minus 2 by 9. So the first you have to take the LCM of 18 and 9. So what is the LCM of 18 and 9? 18. So in the denominator you write 18. Now 18 divided by 18, 1. So 1 into, in the numerator 11. So write 11 minus, now 18 divided by 9. So 2 into, in the numerator 2. So write 2. So 11 minus 2 to the 4 by 18. Now what is 11 minus 4? So 11 minus 4 is 7. So 7 by 18. So answer 7 by 18. Next, let us do the sum number 14, that is 13 by 16 minus 11 by 24. So now children, let's take the LCM of the denominator 16 and 24. Here also I shall use repeated division method to find out the LCM of 16 and 24. So LCM of 16 and 24. So divide them by 2. So 8, 12. Again divide them by 2. 4, 6. Again divide them by 2. 2, 3. Again divide them by 2. 1, 3. Again divide them by 3. 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 4 times 2 into 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is the 48. Again children, you write the sum 13 by 16 minus 11 by 24. So what is the LCM of 16 and 24? The LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. So in the denominator you write 48. Now you divide 48 by 16. So 48 divided by 16, 3 into, in the numerator 13. So write 13. Now put minus sign. Again you divide 48 by 24. So 48 divided by 24 equal to 2 into, what is written in the numerator 11. So it will be 11. So how much it is coming? So 3 into 13, 39 minus 22 by 48. So 9 minus 2, 7 and 3 minus 2, 1. So 17 by 48. So answer 17 by 48. Now children, let us do sum number 16. So sum number 16 is 9 by 16 minus 7 by 20. Now first you take the LCM of the denominator 16 and 20. Here also I shall use repeated division method to find out the LCM of 16 and 20. So LCM of 16 and 20. So first divide them by 2, 8, 10. Again divide them by 2, 4, 5. Again divide them by 2, 2, 5. Again divide them by 2, 1, 5. Again divide them by 5, 1, 1. Now what is the LCM? So LCM equal to, how many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So it is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 5 to the 18. Now children, you write the sum 9 by 16 minus 7 by 20. So what will be the LCM? 80. So 9 into 80 divided by, so just children, first you write 80 divided by 16. So 80 divided by 16 is 5 into the numerator 9 minus 80 divided by 20, 4 into 7. So how much you are getting? 9 5s are 45 minus 7 4s are 28 by 80. So it will be 15 minus 8, 7, 4 minus 3, 1. So 17 by 80. So answer 17 by 80. Now children, let's do sum number 18. So sum number 18 is 11 by 18 minus 5 by 16. So let us take the LCM of the denominators 18 and 16. So LCM of 18 and 16. Here also I shall use repeated division method to find out the LCM of 18 and 16. So write 18, 16 and find out the LCM. So divide them by 2. So 9, 8. Again divide them by 2, 9, 4. Again divide them by 2, 9, 2. Again divide them by 2, 9, 1. Again divide them by 3, 3, 1. Again divide them by 3, 1, 1. So LCM equal to, how many 2's are there? 4 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And how many 3's? 2 3's are there. Into 3 into 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 16 3's are 48 into 3. So 8 3's are 24, carrying 2, 4 3's are 12, 13, 14. It is 144. So now you write the sum 11 by 18 minus 5 by 16. So first in the denominator you have to write the LCM of 18 and 16. So what is the LCM of 18 and 16? 144. So write here 144 in the denominator. Now 144 divided by 18. So 144 divided by 18 is 8. So 8 into, write the numerator 11, minus 144 divided by 16. So 9. 144 divided by 16 is 9. So 9 into 5. Now children, how much it is coming? 8 into 11, 88, minus 9 5's are 45 by 144. So 8 minus 5, 3, and 8 minus 4, 4. So 43 by 144. So answer 43 by 144. Now children, let us do sum number 20. So again you have to find out the LCM of the denominators 24 and 15. And here also I am using that repeated division method to find out the LCM of 24 and 15. So write LCM of 24 and 15. So 24. So divide them by 2. So 12, 15. Again divide them by 2. 6, 15. Again divide them by 2. 3, 15. Again divide them by 3. 1, 5. Again divide them by 5. 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24 into 5. So 24 into 5, 120. Now again you write the sum, 17 by 24 minus 4 by 15. So 17 by 24 minus 4 by 15. So what is the LCM of 24 and 15? 120. So write in the denominator 120. Now you divide 120 by 24. So it is coming 5. So 5 into, in the numerator 17. So write 17 minus, again you divide 120 by 15. So it is coming 8. So 8 into 4. Now children, 5 into 17, 85 minus 8 4s are 32 by 120. So 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 3, 5. So 53 by 120. So answer 53 by 120. Next children, sum number 21. There is 13 by 28 minus 5 by 14. So again you have to take the LCM of the denominators 28 and 14. Here also I shall use repeated division method to find out the LCM of 28 and 14. So 28 and 14 you divide them by 2. So 14, 7. Again divide them by 2, 7, 7. Again dividing them by 7, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 to the 4, 4 7s are 28. Now children, again you write the sum 13 by 28 minus 5 by 14. Now first you have to take the LCM of 28 and 14. So the LCM of 28 and 14 is 28. So write 28 in the denominator. Now you divide 28 by 28. It is coming 1 into 13 minus you divide 28 by 14. So it is coming 2 into, in the numerator 5 is written, write 5. So 13 minus 10 by 28. So 13 minus 10 is 3 by 28. So answer 3 by 28. That's all for today. Thank you. Children, take your homework.